Alright, today we're going to wire a Gigabot 3. This is an XL model. The kits will be the smaller model, but still the same. Got the T-nuts prepped for the electrical box, top and bottom, with the nuts, or the screws, and the Allen wrench. I'm going to install the Y-axis supports, cable tray supports first. Point out that I've got all the panduits already in place. I've got the limit switches, top and bottom. I've got the filament detector. I've got the trolley all the way forward and to the right front of the bot, and that will stretch the wiring as far as it's going to be. So we'll go ahead and start by putting these in. Okay, you've got the Y-axis support clip. Got this section right here. You lay it up against the rail and push down with your thumb and just tilt it up. XL has 4, the regular bottle have 3. Just kind of space them out. Okay, so I've got the uprights for the electrical box prepared. Got the panduit for the filament detectors and the heated bed. Got the corner brackets installed flush on each end. These are just loosely attached and hanging down because they'll be slid up once they're in the bot. Both arms are attached at 6 inches. I made a pencil mark at 3 inches to line up the bottom of the electrical box, and I've also pre-installed the T-nuts at a specific dimension that seems to line up pretty well once you put the box on. And I usually start about 11 and 7/8 apart each rail. And I try to have it flush with the bottom of the table too, so that makes it easier to line up. So I'll go over here and grab the box. Got this chair here just to lay the wires in while I do attach the box. And if you look in here, you can see that the T-nuts are right there. Alright, so we're going to stick the screws in. And I'll get them started in the T-nuts. I found on this back corner here, it's easier if you pull this USB cable out of the board. It gives you just enough room to get the screw in there.
Anywhere, I will.
Maybe set it against the wall over here.
Sorry, not strong enough to do it. What thing?
Don't forget to plug the USB back in. Okay, so now I'll check my dimensions.
Maybe up against this wall right here.
I've made a pencil mark at 3 inches, and I'll just slide the electrical box down to that on each side.
I don't even know how to tell all this.
So I've lined up the box 3 inches from the bottom of the rails on each side. I made a pencil mark to get it as close as possible, and then before I tighten the screws in the bottom of the box, I'll check my alignment of the rails and make sure I'm the same at the top and the bottom, which I'm not in this case. So let's move it out just a little bit. 11 and 7/8.
Yeah, this is perfect.
11 and 7/8. That's good. So I'll go ahead and tighten. Okay, I've laid all the wires into the bot except for the USB cable and the Vicky unit. And after I get this in, I'll tape the Vicky unit at the top of the electrical box to keep it from being damaged. So what you want to do is get the bottom corner bracket started in the cross rail without pinching the wires. We've got the pencil marks on each side to line it up with. Get the top started. And I'll go ahead and put a screw in all the corner brackets. I'm going to tape the Vicky holder to the top of